Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay September 21, 2020. Araw ng pagkadeklara ng martial law. Okay, alam nyo nung naabutan ko yung martial law maliit pa akong bata. Teka, i-put up ko lang yung mga reminders habang nagkakwento ako. Okay, pakipasa lang po yung mga reminders. I was still a small boy when martial law was declared. Pero, I remember, nasa ako noon, bahay ako ng mga lolo ko. And kami magpipinsan, naglalaro. And nagtataka kami kung bakit walang palabas sa TV. Ang channels kasi noon ay Channel 2, 5, 7, 9, and 13. 5 channel. At yung TV pa noon, black and white, at pihit yung pinipihit mo yung channel para ma-change ngayon kasi remote and digital So, pihit kami ng pihit. Wala kaming mahagip na channel, except Channel 9. Ang palabas sa Channel 9 was cartoons. Sabado yun ng umaga. So, tuloy-tuloy lang kami sa paglalaro. Natatanda ko na magpalabas sa cartoons ng Wacky Races. Alam niyo ba yun? Yung Wacky Races, si Dick Dastardly. It's an old cartoon. Anyway, yun ang palabas nun. And then, by the way, before I continue, magbibigay ako ng trivia, martial law trivia, 3 questions yan. And yung unang makasagot at mag-comment ay bibigyan ko ng prize, Okay, anyway, tutuloy ko lang yung aking kwento. So naglalaro kami, tapos in a few minutes, eto na, lumabas na ito. Itong information minister. At sabi niya, dineclare na yung martial law. Okay? So, yun ang aking maiksing kwento. Batang-bata pa po ako noon, maliit na bata pa po ako. Pero aware na po ako sa mga nangyayari sa aking kapaligiran. Anyway, tuloy po natin. I think nabasa niyo na to. And let's proceed with the sunod natin tong trivia. Ito. 3 tanong. Ang unang makasagot ng tama na 3, 3 correct answers to the 3 questions wins a prize, okay? I-comment nyo na lang po sa YouTube o kaya doon sa aking Facebook kasi pinopost ko rin po ito. Sagutin nyo po doon. Basta tama po yung 3 sagot. Po. Una, sinong famous lawyer ang naging Justice Minister at Solicitor General nung panahon ng martial law? That's the first question. The second is, sino ang Information Minister nang ideklara ang martial law? And third, sino ang Chief Administrator ng martial law? Actually, Chief Administrator ng martial law. Okay? Famous person din po ito. Okay? So that is our trivia question. The first person to answer that wins a prize, and this is the prize. It's a special video notebook. Okay? Naka-plastic pa. But this is my special prize for that first person who can answer the 3 trivia questions. Okay? Basta isulat nyo po yung sagot. Number 1, si minister na ganito o si ganito. Number 2, si ganito. Number 3, yan. Okay? Sige po. Deal po. Okay. So let's now proceed with the index. Anong nangyari sa index ngayong araw na ito, September 21? By the way, September 21 is, alam nyo ba kung ano yung celestial event na nangyari? O yung pang isang trivia, celestial event. Anong celestial event? Bonus ano yun? Kung masagot nyo po yung celestial event na yun, it has something to do with the seasons of the earth. So, anong event po ito na nangyari na meron ang September 21? Okay? Yan po yung isang bonus question. Masagot po ninyo, that is a bonus question. And masagot po ninyo yung 1, 2, 3 plus the bonus question. Hindi, bonus na yun, kung masagot nyo. Pero yung pinakatanong ko is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Sige. So, let's continue. Dito po tayo sa PSEI. See, it barely moved actually. And it is still in the support area. Hindi siya. Support area siya. And if the support doesn't hold, because very weak ang market, nasa 57.41 yung next support level. Okay po. tingnan po natin yung mga most active stocks in the index. Wow! For the first time, nakakita ako ng second liner na nasa active stocks. Normally, mga index stocks to eh. So, let's review the following. Now, dito, SMPH, Ali, Tel, Tech, FNI, sinulat ko na, TBGI, C, and MWIDE. So, yan yung re-reviewin natin today. So, let's take a look at, una natin is, now, okay, but before that, before I forget, I'd like to share with you a piece of news. Hindi ko na makalimutan to. Okay, this is it. MWIDE team bags phase 1 of Malolos-Clark Railway project. Okay, they bagged the 17-kilometer Malolos to Clark project. This is the speed train, and this is from, it passes through Malolos, Kalumpit, Apalit, San Fernando, Angeles, then all the way to Clark. And this train project ay magsisimula sa Tutuban. And this yellow line is, ito pa yung isang project na i-award o na-award na, but wala akong news eh. Ang news lang is this red line, and it was awarded to MWIDE. It's one of the biggest construction companies. And the plan also is to connect the railway from Tutuban all the way to Calamba. So the total kilometers, or the total length is 163 kilometers, north-south commuter railway. So, sabi dito, the consortium of MWIDE Construction Corp and its Korean partners Hyundai Engineering and Construction Company Limited and Dong-A Geological Engineering Company bag a 17-kilometer segment of the Malolos-Clark Railway Project or MCRP for an estimated project value of 28 billion. So that's it, nakuha nila. Pero kung titingnan niyo po yung financials ni MWIDE, they are not doing well financially because obviously because of the pandemic, So tignan niyo yung financials ni MWIDE, it's not very good, but this will be a big boost for the MWIDE stock. Okay, so we will be reviewing also MWIDE. So that's our news for the day. Now let's go to now. So first time ko makakita nito na most active is now a second liner. So now, merong net foreign buying and it is a breakout with volume. Okay, so if you will see the formation of the candlestick, biglang nag-surge siya dito and it's solid, solid green candlestick with lots of volume. And if you'll see the formation of the indicators, it's the short term, the medium, and the long. Ito yung setup na alam mong upward yung trend. RSI is also there. Now, this is the first day. Now, hopefully, this will continue if the volume continues also. And if there is demand. Okay? So, meron bang catalyst? Kailangan may catalyst para tumuloy. Now, Telecom ICE public listing 5G rollout as NTC grants provisional. Ito. Authority to Fort Telco. So, baka ito yung naging catalyst, itong news na ito. So, now at, tingnan natin briefly ito. Public listing 5G rollout as NTC grants provisional authority to Fort Telco. I don't know, we'll have to read through this, but let's go ahead and okay, so let's now take a look. So, nasa resistance na ito, Pero the next resistance that I see, kung tumuloy-tuloy itong C now, is here na. Actually, dito somewhere here. Ito, mga 413, 410 to 415, Yan yung next resistance level. Kasi ito yung pinaka-peak niya. And the highest is 370. The 52-week high. And it's nearing the 52-week high. Okay, so let's take a look at another active stock. Dito. So, dito, a second liner, so they're dominating the most active, It's a breakout here, Kasi, di mo yung candlestick niya, as I was explaining, yung setup na ganito, surge siya. And candlestick barely, pagka nag-touch siya sa MA20 or malapit na siya sa MA20, nagbabounce siya pataas. Yan. So, kung ang setup nyo is that if you bought when the MA20, when the candlestick crossed higher the MA20, then congratulations. Ito yun eh. Kasi may mga setup na ganyan eh. Ako, yung aking setup is that when the MA20 crosses the MA50, yun yung buy signal ko. Ito kasi, MA20, nag-touch siya sa MA50, tapos tumaas siya. And all the trick indicators are stacked in tandem here. No? And meron siyang volume. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. And I see the next resistance. If this continues, plot natin yung yung resistance niya. So I'm doing a 1 week kasi masyadong malayo yung. So the next resistance is here. Ito. 5 ang next resistance ni dito. No, if this trend continues. Okay, next, let's go to SMPH. Ito na yung number 3. Normally, it's the first liners who dominates the most active. Okay, 1 day ba to? Tama. So, nag-bounce lang siya and nag-recover from the previous day, but it is moving sideways. And I think this will continue to move sideways unless there is a catalyst. Okay, so the RSI is just hitting the 50 level, which is neither bullish nor bearish. So, lang siya. So, if you're doing range trading, yung resistance would be here and the support would be here. Yan, 27.96 or 28 ang support niya and resistance is 29.20 to 29.25. Okay, let's take a look at another Ali. Also moving sideways but ano siya, short candlestick. And just like SMPH, walang catalyst eh. Diyan lang siya. Oh. Actually, kung titingnan natin ang support niya, ulitin natin ha. Ang support niya, ang year support niya is here. Yan. 29.93 or almost 30 yung support niya. Kasi ito yung candlesticks na nagbabounce eh. So, if you're doing range trading, I see the resistance at this level. Yan. 32 and support is 30. So, very narrow. Computin nyo yung risk-reward ratio kung worth it to mag-trade dito. Okay, next. Let's do TEL. Tama nga ba? Okay, tama. TEL. We're doing 10 tonight. Okay, so TEL is moving downwards. No, actually, parang nag-ano lang siya eh. Nagko-consolidate lang siya eh. So, the support level that I see is here. Ito yung support level. Yan. And resistance, the nearest resistance is here. So if I were to do range trading, I would enter in this area, 1350. And I would exit at the 1480 level. If I were, kung ako yun. No? But of course, it's you. You do your computation, yung risk-reward ratio, yung risk appetite ninyo on when doing range trading. Okay? And your risk-reward nasabi ko na ba yun? Risk-reward ratio. No? And how much percent you are willing to lose. So, yan po yung risk-reward. Okay, next, let's do tech. Tama? Tech. Okay. Nandun yung kodigo ko eh. Tech is also moving sideways and it is, the price is near the support level. Ito yung support niya, 551. So if it continues to move downwards, hopefully there is a bounce here at the support. And it's not very promising. Actually, it's still moving sideways. But there's net foreign buying. So bumaba siya ngayon at 3% level. Okay, let's take a look at another. Let's do FNI. Yung mga second liner ng bida ngayon eh. FNI. Okay, nickel. So it's also moving sideways and barely pierce the MA20. That would indicate a bearish trend. Nag-pierce siya ng support level niya. Here. And I see the next support dito. Kasi may resistance dito before eh. Baka ito yung next support level niya. 116. No, if the support here doesn't hold. And you will see na nagdilip yung RSI. TBGI. Uy, breakout. Look at that. Marami siyang trades for a second liner. Considering that the market cap is not even 1 billion. And it increased at 22%, from an opening of 1810 to 22% increase from the previous day, and there is volume. So na-pierce na niya yung all three indicators, nalagpasan na niya. And let's see now, kung wag sana mag-profit taking, dire-diretso yan eh. Pero if you'll notice guys, solid green candlestick to, dito nag-close, pero it went up, as high as 25 centavos. And during the day, nag-profit taking, kaya bumagsak siya sa 21.70. But the thing is, there's volume and the RSI is bullish. So, what is the next support level? Let's see. I'm sorry. Resistance, I mean. Tingnan natin yung weekly. Masyadong malayo eh. The 52-week high is 36 centavos. So, with this, the next resistance that I see, I would draw the line here. 27, 28, mga 28 ang resistance. Ang maganda kasi pagka mga second liner at kung yung presyo na maliliit lang, halos maliit lang yung maliit lang yung tatamaan ng commissions eh. Halos yung yung presyo mo kung ilo-load up mo yung commissions and other fees, maliit lang. Unlike yung mga malalaki, mga first liners, talagang kasi malalaki na yung presyo niya, malaki din yung nababawas sa commissions and fees. Pero eto, since centavos lang siya, maliliit lang, halos hindi mo ma-feel yung commissions eh. Okay, but there's net foreign selling here, in spite of the fact that it has a good green candlestick. Okay, let's see. Next, TBGI, and let's take a look at C. Look at that. Tingnan natin sa one day. Yan. Breakout, Kung pumasok ka dito nung Friday, actually dito, kung nakita mo na ito, pwede kang pumasok dyan eh. And here, last Friday, the EMA 20 crossed over the EMA 50. Yun yung setup ko eh. Yan yung buy signal ko. Pagka below yung EMA 20 sa EMA 50 at nag-cross over siya pataas, that is my buy signal. So the moment na mag-cross, actually kung gagamitin nyo yung investor screener, meron siyang ganun eh, na yung EMA 20 crosses EMA 50, meron siyang ganun pang screen. So pagka nag-cross pa lang, mati-trigger ka na. So pwede mo siyang bilhin kung yun yung setup mo. And yun yung setup ko. Okay? So tayo iba-iba yung setup eh. Pwede nyo gayahin yung setup ko. Okay, next. So this is C. And nasa resistance level na ito Ito yung next resistance, 14. 14 yung next resistance niya. Now, hopefully, masustain yung volume. Masustain yung volume niya. Pero, kung ako lang, pagka nakita ko yung may signs of weakness, magbebenta na ako. Kung dito ako nakapasok, benta na ako, lock in ko na. O kaya you partially sell. You partially sell to lock in your profit. Pero ako, kasi good na ako dyan eh. Biro mo 6-7%. Pero if you bought here, it's more than 7%. Mga 10% na yan. Okay, so let's see. Last is MWIDE. MWIDE, menu siya ngayon. Pero, guys, ito yung gusto kong setup. Okay, ito yung gusto kong setup. So, if you see ito kasi nagko-consolidate siya, pero ito nag-cross siya Pagka nag-cross siya, sa akin, indicator yan na may trend. Ito mo yung earnings ni MWIDE, kaya sabi ko, it's a net loss 623.41 million net loss negative as of June 30. And yung kanyang railway project will be a very good way to impact on the earnings in the future financials ni MWIDE. Kasi they have not been doing well in the financials because of the pandemic. So, nasa 750 siya ngayon, tumaas siya ng konti. Tingnan natin yan. May doji siya. So, technically, kung ako yung magte-trade, dito ko siya bibilin sa area to. Or pwedeng tsumempo ka dito. Kasi, guys, ang maganda kasi dito, may volume eh. May volume siya at mayroong catalyst. So, kung akong magte-trade niyan, kahit dito ako pumasok, goods pa ako niyan. So, this is a doji which is uncertain, but sa akin kasi, since it opened higher at may volume, very promising yung presyo niya in the coming days. Okay, so that's it. That is our summary for the day to get back at the PSEI. 58 stocks advanced, 138 declined, while 42 remained unchanged. Total volume is 2.13 billion, valued at 4.27 billion. And there was net foreign selling during the day. As for the sectors, all sectors were in the red except for properties, which is the only green sector. So overall, the PSEI move an inch higher, 0.01%. Halos hindi gumalaw with a net foreign selling. Okay, so that's it. Let me display again the trivia. Yan ang trivia natin. And the first person who is able to answer all three, the first viewer in YouTube to answer the first three will win this special prize, a special notebook from video. Naka-plastic pa to ha. Plastic pa. Special notebook from video. Okay? So, kung hindi ko po kayo kilala, kung hindi ko po kayo friend sa Facebook, kailangan ko po ng valid ID na maipakita nyo your address and a valid ID para ma-prove ko po na kayo po yung totoong nanalo. Okay po? So, if you are a YouTuber, then I should be able to validate your identity that you were the one who answered the trivia. Okay? But if you are my friend in Facebook, no problem. So, i-friend niyo po ako sa Facebook. Okay po? Okay. Sige. So, before I leave, may I give to you my favorite quote. By the way, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can maintain this channel, no? And I hope you had a fruitful day in exchange. Alalahan niyo lang yung mga tips na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Of course, kailangan meron kayong cut loss. Ready yung risk management niyo. Kasi investing in the stock market has risks. Hindi po tayo puro panalo, natatalo po tayo dyan. Malaki ang panalo, malaki rin ang talo. Kaya kung di po kayo equipped ng tools na yan, then delikading po tayo dyan. Okay po? So, I leave you this quote. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. This is Ben Chadoro saying goodbye for now and see you in the next episode. Bye.